Introducing the new MATelec Australia Wi-Fi Time Switch Range, designed to make setup faster, programming easier, and give you greater control over every installation. Whether you're controlling lighting, pumps, exhaust fans, signage, or irrigation systems, the new Wi-Fi Time Switch Range combines advanced scheduling with simple browser-based programming to make installation easier. There's no app to download, no pairing to process, simply connect direct to the time switch using the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and configure everything through your standard web browser. Advanced 24/7 365 programming includes daily, weekly and yearly schedules, astronomical sunrise and sunset switching, holiday overrides and random programs, giving you greater flexibility across a wide range of applications. With 3 models available, there's a Wi-Fi time switch to suit everything from compact installations through to multi-circuit control. Fast setup, flexible control, no app required. Explore the new MATelec Australia Wi-Fi Time Switch Range today